Welcome to Home of Math, Index and Algebraic Manipulation. Here is three fractions are combining. Our target to make a single denominator from these fractions. Let's start. Here is 5a divide a minus 9. We will not do anything at this moment. Plus here is a square. This one is a square. A square minus 2a plus 1. This one we can write a square minus a plus 1. Just factoring a minus a and minus a, it means 2a, and here coefficient is 1. 1 into 1 means 1. So here is also a square. Look, 27 we can express like 3 into 9 means 27, and 9 plus 3 means 12. So we can write 9a minus 3a plus 27 minus 6a divide a minus 3. So 5a minus 9 plus, if we take common a, so a minus 1 common, a minus 1, and here is what, a minus 9 minus 3 common, a minus 9 minus 6a, a minus 3. Okay, now look, what can we do? Here is 5a minus 9 plus, here is a minus 1 into a minus 1, and here is a minus 9 into a minus 3 minus 6a divided a minus 3. We want to combine this one, so we will find out the LCM. So LCD is here a minus 9, a minus 3. So here is 5a. If we divided this LCD by a minus 9, we will get a minus 3. So we multiply with 5a plus, here is only a minus 1 whole square, and here is my 6a into a minus 9. Okay, now look, here is a minus 9 into a minus 3. We can write here 5a square minus 15a, and here is a square minus 2a plus 1, and here is minus 6a square minus and minus plus 54a. 6 times 9 means 54, and minus minus plus, so it will become 54a. So now what can we do? We can write here is a minus 9 and divided a minus 3. So look, here is 5a square plus a square and minus 6a square, so all a square will be out. And here look, here is minus 15a and minus 22a, it will become 17a. 17a minus 17a and plus 54a, it will become 27a, and here is only plus 1. So this is our answer. Look, it will become a single denominator fractions. Hope you understand this one. This math is not complex but looking big, so we have to concentrate very positively, because sometimes only plus or minus sign the result will be changed. No more today. Thank you very much.